It is the 8th of the 8th, 2013. This is your radioactive reality. Start on E&E News. KTXL Sacramento. Now the threat of radioactive water rushing our way from Japan. Quote, traces of radiation found in the area of fish. No danger, says a pro-nuclear expert. And we know. TV, China syndrome at Fukushima plant? Question mark. Recent dramatic spikes in contamination show something is changing. Has a containment structure given way? Question mark. Well, we've had 3 major nuclear reactor meltdowns. The corium has breached through the containment and into the environment, and they wonder why they're having so many problems. This has been ongoing for a couple years now. Here's a great idea. Huge island made of contaminated soil and rubble proposed off Fukushima coast. Place for disposal of radioactive debris. Quote, measures will be taken to prevent adverse impact on the ocean. Unquote.